Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and today we're going to be talking about one of the things that I get asked on a regular basis regarding the master cylinder, and it's which way does the little washer go? This little washer is curved, and I get lots of calls saying which way does this actually sit on the piston? It actually sits on the piston the total opposite way to which you think would be normal. It sits with the sharp edges facing upwards to the seal. The reason we do that, and the reason that AP back in the days, well, not so much AP but Lockheed back in the day, had this washer, was the fact that when you brake, your pistons move forward and push the pads against the disc. Two things happen: the brake pads wear and the disc wears. When you release the lever and the pressure in the system, the actual brake pad will have to come back off the brake disc, otherwise you carry on braking. The piston flexes in the seals will just bring it back a little tiny bit so the pad can sit back off the braking surface. The fact that you've used some of your brake pad and some of the disc means that now behind the piston you need to make up the oil that needs to be there ready for the next time you brake. If the oil wasn't made up, what will happen is that you would carry on braking, and then you'd end up having to move the lever further and further every time to get enough oil in there to push it on through. So this little washer, what it actually does is when you release your brake lever and the piston moves back under the spring pressure, this puts a slight amount of pressure on the primary seal just to collapse it a little to allow fluid to come from the other side of the piston past the washer and over the lip of the seal to make up for the wear that you've just created. Of course, the amounts are absolutely minuscule, but you imagine over the life of your pads they do wear quite a bit, so you can see how much oil will have to come from the reservoir past the piston, past the washer, past the primary seal into the system to make up for all that wear. That's how it works, and like I said, it's totally the opposite way round to which you think it would be. If you have any other questions, please feel free to get in touch with myself or Simon here at Andover Norton, or send us an email. The emails can be found on the website at the bottom of the screen, and attach photos or give us a good description of the problem or what you wish to know, and we'll try and help you. Thank you very much.